Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to try this Thundelbringer item in Grow Garden game of Roblox smithing update. Okay, let's get into it guys. Finally, I could craft this item, and before I apply this item to my garden, I'm going to show you how you can craft this gear item. So guys, you can go to the gear section and I'm going to show you the recipe for this item. Okay, and these are the items that you need guys. You will need the smith hammer of harvest, legendary coal to find coal, lightning rod, and also shackles. And it says summons a lightning bolt upon your farm. I think it can summon the lightning weather, but I don't know. And let's try it guys. I'm going to place it anywhere, just like the other item. And oh my god, there's nothing happen. And it said my crafting table is idle. So maybe if we want to use this item, we need to craft something so it can work. And my bad guys, I thought we don't need to craft something. Just like the other item, we just need to like place it anywhere and it can summon the weather, but that's not how it works. So yeah, we can try it another time. Okay, and that's all the video for today. I hope this video will be useful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching and bye.